Alkali aggregate reaction, it's a reaction between the alkalis, generally coming from the cementitious materials, and the aggregates, and the silicates in the aggregate. And the third thing you need is water. So if we look at different ways to mitigate alkali aggregate reaction, we're going to key in on one of those three things. When we talk about reducing the water content, and that's the water getting into the concrete, we're usually talking about reducing the permeability of the concrete. When we talk about lowering the reactive silica from the aggregates, a lot of times what we're talking about doing is just switching sources of aggregates, but that's not always economically or logistically feasible. The third thing is reducing the amount of alkalis. And so that can be replacing Portland cements with supplementary cementitious materials. The other thing that some of those supplementary cementitious materials can do is they can bind up some of the alkalis and reaction products so they're no longer available. And then the supplementary cementitious materials that are pozzolanic can also give us a pozzolanic reaction that binds up the calcium hydroxide, which is needed for one of the steps in this reaction. And so you stop one of those steps with that SCM or that supplementary cementitious material.